Hey everyone, Andrew the Video Guy here at Garvey Kia. We've been talking a lot about the 2021 Sorento. We've gone over the trim packages from LX to S, from EX to SX, and now it is time to talk about the king of the hill, the 2021 Kia Sorento SX Prestige. The SX Prestige is the top of the line, the cream of the crop, the creme de la creme. Actually, that's getting a little repetitive in my idioms, but it is worth repeating just how much the SX Prestige has standard. Heated steering wheel because it's still winter. Ventilated front seats because it won't be winter forever. Trust me. 12-inch Supervision digital instrument cluster with blind spot cameras and a 12-speaker Bose premium audio system. And did I mention the X-Line package? Only available with the SX Prestige trim, the X-Line takes a look off-road and says, yeah, let's do this. An extra inch of ground clearance, roof rails to carry camping gear, kayaks, snowboards, whatever. X-Line exclusive dark gray 20-inch wheels and totally redesigned bumpers for when terms like approach angle become suddenly relevant. From LX to X-Line, it is easy to get overwhelmed with the plethora of options available to you. Hopefully these videos have helped out a lot, have given you an idea of what Sorento is right for you. So if you've got an answer or you need just a little more help, come try one for yourself. Give us a call, go online, or stop into Garvey Kia today.